Hi everybody, you know who we are. Let's get to work. What we're training right now is a practical application of the 7-count sequence in the line form. There are some significant differences in the application when you're sitting down. The moves look very similar, but the application is quite different because we have to switch some things up and we're using opposite sides of our body for certain things. So one of the first things we recognize is we're starting off with the same theory and the same concept. Our opponent is attacking us with the front kick. That's the beginning of this concept. And we're going to break down our opponent just like standing and just like a mobility assisted do. But we have to use slightly different techniques. So it begins, you go into your X and you know you do your hook block and your catch as they throw that front kick. You drive up with that short punch and then look at his arm. Goes up into his X and pushes my leg down for 3. Push down. Okay? And as he pushes down, remember I'm bent down and he pushes down, I'm going to drop. Fight might be over, but we assume it isn't. So I'm going to drop and I'm going to turn and he's going to corkscrew that in. Right? And he's going to go in, but we want to go below the belt into the groin or bladder area. We're going to corkscrew down, boom, because I'm going to come over top. That hand's going to be up. Go back to your high-low. That hand's going to be up because as I drop down, I might come here. So you're going to corkscrew right underneath it and into the groin or pelvic area. Okay? When you do that strike, you're going to grab, and because look where I am now. I'm facing this way, which changes some of our dynamic. So you're going to do your punch, and you're going to go in, and you're going to turn it into a grab, and you're going to pull me into a headbutt and the knee. If you can ambulate your legs, you're going to pull this knee in to stop me on the side. Okay? Not your back knee, your front knee. Because I'm pulling in and I'm corkscrewing from this direction because I'm turned here. So when he grabs me and pulls me into the headbutt, you want this knee here just in case it's protection. Because that's what I'm going to follow. Then he's going to raise me up and punch to finish. That's the application of the 7 counts. So you see it's very similar, but there are some distinct differences in what you've got to do because you're working at a downward angle. So that changes some of the application of these techniques, but the theory remains the same. You're going to break this guy down by trapping his leg and working the pelvic area and then driving him up and holding him up and finishing him off. That's the application for the 7 count. I want you to train with intention. When you're practicing this, I want you to envision doing that.